Unlock the power of Forever Nature Min. Top benefits for your health. 1. Essential minerals play a crucial role in muscle function and hydration for optimal performance. 2. This supplement boosts brain and thyroid function, enhancing cognitive abilities and metabolism. 3. Minerals help regulate fluid balance, ensuring your body stays hydrated and functions properly. 4. Electrolytes are vital for maintaining overall health, supporting nerve and muscle function effectively. 5. A unique blend of macro and trace minerals, like magnesium and zinc, supports vital biological functions. 6. Ingredients list: microcrystalline cellulose, stearic acid, cross-garmalose sodium, natural sea mineral deposit. Embrace better health with Forever Nature Min today. Subscribe for more tips.